sitting here waiting to get dumped. Me and Jack. Say hi, Jack. Jack's excited to be here today. I was just thinking about freedom and listening to the news and all the nonsense that's on there. I just wonder if anybody ever really thinks about freedom and what it comes with. If you're free, you're responsible, and you're mature. If you can't handle freedom, then you lose freedom. Just like little kids. If a little kid, you give them freedom and they can't handle it, then they lose the privileges that they're afforded based on their age and their capability. We as Americans years ago were given tons of freedom, and we keep voting and making decisions to say, well, we need to make more rules, take that freedom away. We're taking our own freedoms away because we're not being mature as a group. And then when we see somebody else do something, then we want to make a rule to stop that. Well, then you're taking away your own freedom. It's like the kids in school. The one kid shoots a spit wad at the board, and then everybody misses recess. Didn't that piss you off when you were a kid? So just think about freedom in the sense of freedom, responsibility, and maturity. You've got three things that go together. You can't be free unless you're responsible and mature. So when you talk about freedom, understand that when you're making decisions to take it away, you're losing the freedom to be responsible and mature and take care of yourself. So just be careful. It all works good as long as the system's in your favor, and then when the rules change, we just ask the Germans, just ask the Jews. Nazi Germany did the same stuff. All made sense when they were moving it on in 1938 and 35 and 36 and all that. 45, it looks so good. And we're on the same path.